All right, here's a continuation guitar number 7 construction. And where I left you last time was I had just showed the initial, what this veneer looked like after cutting out the design of the mountain and the sun coming up over the mountain. So I've now glued that onto the headstock, as you can see. And another thing that I did prior to that is the slot for cutting out for the truss rod, that left a gap there, so I decided to fill that with some of the mahogany that I left out when I trimmed up the headstock from what the original cut had been. So that was something I did. Another thing, you'll now see these side dots here that I've added those on the side. I used some black. Another thing I did is I went ahead and I made a little detail here on the at this stock of the base, and you can see I put some of the leftover black ebony from the headstock veneer, and then I took a piece of maple that I had left over from the binding and so forth. So that's exciting. So the next thing here now is I've got some Waverly tuning machines, and I tell you, when you open a box of Waverly's, look at that. I mean, it's just like you're opening a jewel box, but these are just gorgeous. So you know what I'm gonna have to do next is actually cut out the holes for these, and there'll be 3 on each side, obviously, so I'll need to do that. And we'll need to shape the nut, and I'll probably wait on that a bit. One of the next things I'll have to do is take this bridge, this time I went ahead and bought one that was pre-done. All the ones up until this point I've done myself, but I figured, well, this will move the project on a little faster, and I'm really excited about it because this does feel like I'm making really fast progress on this guitar, which is really exciting to me. But yeah, there's a slight kind of dome to this, so I'll have to sand this so it has the correct fit essentially to the top. So I'll need to do some calculations about, because the scale length is 25.4, so I'm going to do some calculations as to where that's going to be, and then I'll sand it in that area of the top just to make sure it fits perfectly. Anyhow, so this is video number 8 of guitar number 7. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.